Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening the Word file and enabling editing so changes save cleanly. Enable track changes and comments in review. This records edits and lets collaborators see intent. Once done, switch to print layout and open the navigation pane to jump between headings quickly. Make sure to display styles and the ruler so you can control spacing and indents precisely. You'll now be ready to edit content directly, insert inline comments, and maintain a reversible history of your changes. You now move into detailed formatting. Apply built-in styles for H1, H2, and body text so the document stays consistent and easy to update. Insert section breaks to change headers, footers, or page orientation without breaking layout. When adding tables or images, set layout options and include alt text for accessibility. Use Format Painter to copy formatting quickly and use the Styles pane to modify multiple instances at once. Once formatted, update the table of contents, and you finish by running spelling and grammar, then systematically accept or reject tracked edits and resolve comments to produce a clean final draft. Save a versioned copy and export to PDF for distribution. Make sure compatibility mode isn't altering layout on other machines. Share via OneDrive or email with appropriate permissions. If things go wrong, like inconsistent spacing or broken layout, turn off track changes, clear direct formatting on affected paragraphs, and reapply styles to restore predictable formatting quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.